Hello, at this time I would like to Alright, today's lesson I'm going to go over how to use capo. This little thing called clamp, right? This little thing called capo. It's a clamp basically for you put them on the neck. And right now, without the capo, if you play G chord, it's an actual G chord. But once you put a capo 1, and then you switch over, now this is G shape, but it's not G chord anymore. So now it's G sharp. G sharp using G shape chord. And then one more up. G sharp, and after that is A. And then after A sharp is a B, and then so on. So I think it's my brain is not going as fast as it should, but G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So in this case, you're gonna have to put capos all the way over here, making sure G shape has to have extra space in the front, one empty fret. And now this is using a G shape playing a E chord. Yeah, so, but now it sounds really tangy, and then you wanted to kind of make it a little bit more even, right? So now you want to use it here, but let's say if you know the 4 chord of the C, which is C, F, G, A minor, is the 4 chord equivalent to G, C, D, E minor. Just look at the, description. And now you want to play E chord. You can do C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. And this C shape, I can put capo here. Now I'm playing a E chord using a C shape. Okay? Now C, F, G, A minor is equivalent to E, D, E, and then A, and then B, and then C sharp minor. That's what it is. Using the different shape to play different chord. Okay, so we call it shape versus chord. Because now we call it shape because it's not the sound anymore. It was a C over here, but over here is something else. It's actually, this is E, and then this is C. This is E, this is C. So now you can do that. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper of the wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper of the wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper of the wisdom, let it be. let it be, let it be. Whisper of a wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper of wisdom, let it be. Let it be.